Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35 in the long wheelbase. The vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The van also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Across the front of the vehicle, the van does feature a set of front parking sensors set into the lower portion of the front bumper. Down below, the Crafter sits on 16-inch steel wheels with a 20-hole design. The full steel spare wheel can be found underneath the van. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a high-mounted rear-view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The vehicle also features the 270-degree hinged doors, allowing for more options when loading and unloading the vehicle. Inside the back of the load area, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having a reinforced wooden flooring, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab, there is a singular armrest on the driver's seat, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. All the seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery, and in forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we can find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows the user to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with Climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which has options on there such as cruise control.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.